Now to start off with our castle, let's begin by making a line right across here. Let's draw a line that comes down and another line that comes down here. Then let's make one line across. For the door, let's make a big upside down U shape and then a second upside down U shape right around it. We'll put a line right down the middle and a little oval shape on each side of that line. Let's make this line a little bit longer, and let's put some detail up here. So let's draw two lines that come up. Then we're going to go over and over. Next, we're going to go down and over, down and over. Then we're going to come up, over, and down. And then same thing here, up, over, and down. Then just draw a small line to connect it. Now let's make another part of our castle up here. So let's begin by making a line that comes up and up. We're going to draw a long line across. Then we'll do the same thing we did here. We're going to go up and up on each side. Let's go over and down, over and down. Let's go up and over, up and over. Let's go across and down, across and down. And then connect it right here. Now right here, let's make a big point on top, so a big upside down V shape. Then let's put a little line up here. And then we'll make a little wiggly triangle shape for a flag. Now over here, let's make another part of our castle. Let's draw a line that's going to come over, down, and then it's going to come back here. Same thing here. Let's go over. We're going to go down and then back here. Let's go down and then connect here. Same thing, down and then connect right over to here. Let's make a line that goes up and then down with a point. And then same thing here. We're going to go up and down with a point. Let's make a little line on top of each one with a little squiggly triangle. Now let's give our castle some windows. So let's make two upside down U shapes on each side of the door with a little line across. Let's do a couple up here. We'll do one right here and then one on each side. We can also put a window on each side of these little towers right here. Now on each of these little tower shapes, let's make some lines that go across for a little bit of detail. And then we'll also do that on this top one too. Then to give your castle a little bit more detail, you can go and make little rectangle shapes all around here. And this just makes it kind of look like there are little bricks on your castle. You don't have to do too many, just kind of put them all around for a little bit of detail. Next, let's go ahead and make a little wiggly line So it kind of looks like there's a little path coming up to our castle. We can make a little line in the background for some detail. And then we can make these squiggly little lines so it kind of looks like there's bushes and some landscaping back there. And there you go, there is your drawing of an easy cartoon castle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.